this is Bionix furnace for 900 degrees Celsius. Now this is our vacuum pump. This is our vacuum pump which is connected to the back of the furnace. Here you can see we have connected for the inlet from where we can vacuum the furnace, and this connection is for our air, for gas. Any gas we can inlet for gas and outlet. Now we can vacuum the furnace with the help of this vacuum pump. Now I have started the vacuum. This is our machine. This way we can open the machine. Here, this is for vacuuming. You can see. This is vacuuming. So this is 100% vacuum. This is for vacuum. I have connected this. Now I can close it. First we will vacuum the furnace, then we will purge the nitrogen gas inside the furnace for creating an inert atmosphere inside the furnace, so that we can do our test in an inert atmosphere. Now we will purge the nitrogen gas inside the chamber. After vacuuming, we have to purge the gas so that we can create an inert atmosphere inside this chamber. Now it's already in. This is in, and we have to purge the nitrogen gas from here. And we have to close this. After purging, we have to close it, and we have to create vacuum again. We have to create vacuum again. After vacuuming, we have to purge the nitrogen gas again to create an inert atmosphere, and we are sure now that there will be only nitrogen gas atmosphere inside the furnace. Now we can transfer the nitrogen gas. Now it's in on position. The nitrogen gas is purging into the atmosphere. Now we are closing this gas. Now we have closed it, and we have closed all the valves. Now this furnace contains nitrogen into the chamber. Now we can start the furnace. This is off and this is on button. Now we have to push on button. This is indicator, main light indicator. This is our PID controller. This is our voltmeter. This is our ampere meter. Now the machine is into the running position. This is it value of the chamber, and this is set value. Always use gloves while opening the furnace. Always use gloves. Gloves while opening the furnace. And take your samples. Always use this tong. Always use tong. Now we can open the furnace, and whenever you open the furnace while the working, you have to have these gloves. Always use this top to keep your samples and like this. The temperature is 465. See. Now we can close it.